Hey everyone, Jason Jainer here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Google Calendar setup for our RYS project. What we need to do first is to log in to our Google account that is associated with our RYS project. As we logged in, we want to go ahead and go to the top right portion of the screen and look for this Rubik's Cube-like icon. Click on that, and then we want to go ahead. Oops, alright. Alright, there you have it. We want to go ahead and click on this Rubik's Cube-like icon at the top right portion of your screen and click on this calendar icon. So we want to go to the calendar, Google Calendar section where we can create our events. Alright, so what we're going to do next is to create a calendar that is associated with our RYS project. So what we can do is to go to the left portion of your screen and find this My Calendar section. Alright, and then let's just hit this triangular icon over here and then create new calendar. What we want to do next is to put in the name of the calendar over here. So it says calendar name, and let's put in the calendar name in this text field. We want to make sure that the name of their calendar is our main keyword. So what we can do is to grab our main keyword, and then we would just to add something like it's really happening. So we can add in here live events or schedules. Alright, so we can leave the description and the location blank for now. What we want to do next is to make this calendar public. So we want just to check this setting over here. So there are just two things that we did. We put in the name of the calendar and make this calendar public, so all the visitors can view. Alright, so all is set up. Let's just click this create calendar button over here and then hit this yes button. So Google is just saving. Alright, changes saved. So we can see now here the name of our calendar. Alright, so it's labeled color gray. Alright, so what we're going to do next is to create our live events. We are plotting the live events under our calendar associated with the RYS project. What we can do is to click on this block over here. So we want to start it today. Click on this block over here and then put in the name of the event. So we can input in here the list of keywords that we are targeting. So what we can do is to grab our keyword, put it over here, and then hit this edit events so we can see more options to edit. Alright, so it is our main keyword. So what we're going to do is to make this event on repeat. So click on this on repeat option. We want to go ahead and put it daily. So repeat every day, once a day, and then it ends never. So we want to go ahead and hit it done. We are making this setup so the event would recur every day. So hit this done button over here, and then we want to go ahead and make this calendar, instead of the personal Gmail account, we want to put it under the dedicated calendar for Best Plumbing Los Angeles, California schedules. So this event now is under this calendar. So we want to go ahead and put in the description as well. So what we can do is to put in a clickable link. So we're using hyperlinks. When they click on that hyperlink, they will be directed to our different RYS files. So I have already created an HTML format for that. For your information, we wanna just put an HTML format so the preview can be clickable. All right, so we want to copy this. We want to copy this and paste it over here. All right, so there is actually a tool for this, so that we will just submit our links and submit our keywords, so that we can just make this code real quick, and this will be explained in a separate video. So what we have done just now is we have already put our clickable hyperlinks over here. So this is the different keywords that we're targeting, including the different RYS shortened files. All right, so what we want to do is to put in the name of, or the description of the company at the top. All right, let's just do a proper formatting over here. All right, and then at the bottommost part we can add the NAP section. And then what we can actually do at the top is to put in our website, our target website. And then there is also an option in here that we can add an attachment. So what we can do is to attach our files inside our RYS folder. So what I can actually do is to just choose any of the files that I have on our RYS folder. Alright, so let's just wait for the system to load the files. Alright, let me just go back and choose this one. Alright, so hit the select button. Alright, now, so we would just like to review. We have the name of this event with our keyword that we are targeting, and with a time frame from 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. and it's on repeat. It's under the calendar, Best Plumbing Los Angeles, California schedules, and we have put the description and we have put the attachment over here. Alright, so the last thing that we want to do is to make this event public to all. So we wanna choose this setting over here, and then all is good. We would just like to save it. Alright, so our live event now for Best Plumbing Los Angeles, California has been set up, and as what you can see that it recurs every day, since we have set up the setting to repeat every day on the same time frame. Alright, so what we can actually do next is to create another live event under still our dedicated calendar for RYS project, following the same process. So what we can do is to click on this block over here, and then let's put in another keyword that we're targeting. So let's say, for example, it's going to be plumbing services near me. And then let's hit edit events to see more setting to change. Alright, so it's going to be on the time frame 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. and then it's going to put it on repeat daily, once per day, and it ends never, and hit done. Alright, so the calendar should be under this. This event should be under this Best Plumbing Los Angeles, California schedules. And then let's put a description. You want to put the hyperlinks again. Alright, so we want to make sure that we are putting a different set of keywords and different set of links for this event. Alright, so we want to go ahead and change this keywords over here and this links as well. So yes, for demo purposes, assume that that's been changed. Alright, so we want to also input another article, unique article for this. just assume that it's new, just for demo purposes. We're just putting that, and then we want to put below the NAP section. Paste it over here. Alright, so let's make this event public. Again, the name of the event with the keyword that we're targeting, put it on repeat daily, and then let's put it under the dedicated calendar. Put in the description. We can actually add a long article over here if you want, and then make this event public. Then we want to go ahead and hit save. Alright, so we have another recurring event for 1 to 2 a.m. and that happens every day, so it ends never. So what we're going to do next is to actually see the preview of this calendar. So what we can do is to go over to the My Calendar section over here and proceed to our dedicated calendar. And then let's hit this triangular icon over here and then choose calendar settings. Alright, so what we can do is to hit this HTML under calendar address section. Hit this HTML and then grab this link, open a new tab and paste the link over here so that we can see the preview of that calendar. Alright, so now it is the preview of our calendar. So what you can see that it has 2 live events per day. You want to go ahead and click on that. So as what you can see that there is a section over here that is clickable. So it actually sends us to different RYS links. Alright, so you can see that's the Google site, and this is the Google folder. So this is actually how the HTML format works. Alright, and we can also see in here the more details. It opens a new tab and it actually brings us to the specific events. Alright, and that's what you can see that it's it has the website link clickable. Alright, so this is the preview of the calendar that we just made, and all is well. We can actually add more live events, so we have more schedules. We have more events plotted on the different dates. Alright, so all is good to go. What we need to do now is to actually put our calendar into our Google site. So we want to embed it. So to embed this calendar to our Google site, what we can do is to go to this embed this calendar section and then copy this code that says iframe, go to our Google site, and then we want to hit edit. Alright, so since it's an iframe, it's an HTML based format that we grab over here. We want to go ahead and use the HTML editor. So let's go down below. And then before the recommended links, we want to put the embedded code for the calendar, and then let's hit update. So we want to try to see that it's successfully embedded. So it's on the recommended links, right? So it's actually over here. It's the Google Gadgets. So we want to put it centered. Just like to add a new space to make it look better, and then hit save. So the Google side is saving the changes. So we want to go down and see if the Google Calendar is perfectly placed. Alright, so it's in here. The Google Calendar that we made for Best Plumbing Los Angeles, California schedules is good to go. So that's all for the Google Calendar setup for ROS project, and have a good day.